Here we are at Seaside, Oregon, taking a look at one of their tsunami warning systems. Here we have a Whelen WPS 2900. I've done research about these sirens and that they test them also on the first Wednesday of every month at 11 a.m. between like the months of September and May. So that means they don't test them like in June, July, and August. So they take like a 3-month break. So they do it every month for 9 months each year. So this is, not sure, could remember the name of the street that this is located on. But when they do the test, they do like a buzzing sound like twice, followed by voice announcements in English and Spanish. If there were an actual tsunami warning, they would do the siren sound, known as the whale tone. So that is it for this tour. So